Good morning, students. How are you? Today we will start fourth question of this chapter, exercise 3.1. We have done till yesterday what? Till question number 3. Till question number 3. So what's the question? Question is this: which of the following pair of linear equation are consistent? Oblique inconsistent. If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Consistent meaning at least one solution. Consist meaning at least one solution. What? One solution. This is the meaning of consistent. So three condition. First condition is this: A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. How many solution? Unique solution. Already told you. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. How much? Infinite many solution. Understood? Third one, which is inconsistent. Which is inconsistent? It's meaning A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2. So how many solution? No solution. Line are parallel to each other. Line are parallel to each other. So now we can start this. We can start this. How can we start? First question you can take. What you can take? First question. What's the first question? This is given. Taking here, we are having equation x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. If you can check here, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. It's meaning how many solution? Infinite solution. How many solution? Infinite solution. If infinite solution, what's its meaning? Consistent solution. How can you find out? In this way we can find out y equal to 5 minus x. We can make here table. Here we can make table here. What is this? Independent variable. This is dependent variable x and y. If 1 we can take, this is 4. 2 we can take, 3. 3 we can take, 2. 4 we can take, 1. 5 we can take, 0. 6 we can take, minus 1. Graph you have to draw, you can take 2, 3 point, 4 points, it's sufficient. Here also 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Y equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. So it's meaning 5 minus x. So table of both are same. Table of both are same. Now what you can do? You can draw. What you can draw? Graph of it. So easily you can draw both line, one line lying upon the other. So how can we draw graph of these? So we can draw graph of these like this. So graph. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. What you can take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you can take? 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is what? Minus 1. -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -1, -2. If x equal to 1, y is what? 4. So 4 is here. So this point we can see. X is equal to 2, then what's this? 3. What is this? 3. 3, 2. 3 mean 2. 4, 1. So 4, 1 meaning like this. 5 lying where? Here lying. So if you can draw this type of line coming. Both lying on this here. So in this way you can draw graph. Graphically you can tell. So much easy portion of this. If you can understand it. So now what we can do? Second part. What we can do? Second part. Try to understand second part also like this. So what's given? First part is this. Now second part, x minus y is equal to what? 8. Second one, 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So what's your a1 here? 1. b1 minus 1. c1 minus 8. Bring in this side this x minus y minus 8 you can write. a2 3. b2 minus 3. c2 how much? Minus 16. Minus 16. If you can find out a1 by a2 1 by 3. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3 which is equal to 1 by 3. It's meaning a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and which is what? c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is what? c1 minus 8 by minus 16 cancel out how much? 1 by 2 which is not equal to c1 by c. So how many solution? No solution. How many solution? No solution. And what type of graph? Graph is two lines, straight line parallel to each other. Understood? Consistent or inconsistent? If no solution, definitely inconsistent. What's inconsistent? Understood this? Next. So able to solve. If any problem you can tell. According to me, no problem. Next is what? Third part. What's third part? Written 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. What's its meaning? a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1 and c1 equal to minus 6. Another is what? 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So a2 4, b2 minus 2, c2 minus 4. So what's your a1 by a2? a1 by a2 minus 6 by minus 4. Sorry, this wrong written. What is that? 2 by 4, sorry. 2 by 4 which is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2. b1. What's your b1? This. 1. b2 minus 2. So what's minus 1 by 2? Minus 1 by 2. So what we can say here from this? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. What's its meaning? Its meaning solution exists how many? Unique solution. Unique solution. So you have to find out this unique solution. Consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. Yes or no? So now we have to find out. What we have to find out? Its solution. It's a solution. So how can we write like this? We can take this. So what's it's become? This implies 0, this implies y equal to 6 minus 2x. 6 minus 2x. So draw graph of it. So this is the graph of it. Graph, not table. You know which one is the independent variable, which one is the dependent variable. X, y. X equal to 1, y equal to 4. 2, 2. 3, 0. 4, minus 2. 5, minus 4. Got it? Table, how can? Put value. Then second equation, what second equation? Second is this, 4x minus 2y is equal to 4 we can take. This is, then what's y equal to? 4 minus 4x by what? Minus 2. Understood? So this what's become? This become 2x minus 2. What's it become? 2x minus 2. How can become? Minus take common from here. Minus taken common. Then minus taking common, then what happened? Then these interchange. Then what happened? Interchange. So what's it become? So here, right, if don't understand, minus 2 equal to 4 minus 4x and y equal to minus taken common 4x minus 4 by minus 2, cancel it, and if you can, then this coming. So it's also one table need. What's its need? A table. This. Independent variable x, dependent variable y. Independent variable y. If you are taking x equal to 1, so what's the value of y? 2 minus 2, 0. If taking 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2, 2. 3, 3 2s are 6, 4. 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 2, 6. 5, 2s are 10, minus 2, 8. So look here. 2, 2 and 2, 2. This is the solution of it. This is the solution of it. And how can draw graph of it? So graph I know. How can you draw? It's unique solution. If unique solution, you know. Straight line intersect each other at one point. So if we are taking, what we are taking? X-axis, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So this is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. Yes or no? Here what we can take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this way we can take. So first 1, 4, x1, then y is what? 4. So this point. 2, 2, 2 mean this point. 3, 0, 3, 0 mean this point, on this point. 4, 4 minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 2 meaning this point. So graph is coming like this. Or what you can do? You can take, so graph is coming like this. One straight line. Another, this take 1, 0. Which one is? X is 1, y 0. It's meaning this point. X2, y2. It's meaning this point. X3, y4. So this point. 4 here, this. So graph is coming like this. Both intersecting at this point. So this is the solution. What are the coordinate of this? 2, 2. X equal to 2 mean its distance from the y-axis is 2 unit. Y2, it's meaning its distance from the y-axis, x-axis is how much unit? 2 unit. How much? 2 unit. And this you can take. I think you got it. I think you got it. So, next part. What's your next part? So, which is your next part? This part, fourth part. Which part? Fourth part. Yes or no? What's given? 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So you know what's your a1? 2. b1 minus 2. c1 minus 2. Then 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So what's your a1? 4. What's your b1? b2, sorry, a2 is equal to minus 4. c2 minus 5. So if you can check here, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, and this is not equal to c1 by c2. If you can check. What's its meaning? Its meaning is what? What's its meaning? Its meaning, no solution. No solution. And what's the meaning of no solution? Both lines are parallel to each other in graph. Never meet with each other. No solution mean inconsistent. Consistent meaning at least one solution. Got it? So next. Question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width. So question we can start from here. One equation is here. Let width of the park x meters. Let length of the park is what? Y meter. And saying length is 4 meters more than its width. Its meaning width how much? X. And what's your length? Y. This is 4 more than it. So we can add 4 in it. And this we can write x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Then second condition, half the perimeter of rectangular garden. So what's the perimeter of a rectangular garden? 2 into length plus breadth. And what's its half of? Divide this by 2. Divide by 2. It's meaning length plus breadth. Length is what? X plus y is how much? 36. So x plus y minus 36 is equal to 0. This is your equation number 2. You are having two equation, two variable. So easily able to find the dimension of the garden. You have to find out dimension of the garden using what? Not given any method you can apply. Any method you can apply. So which method applying? So this we can write. What we can write? X minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Understood? Or we can write like this. X minus y equal to minus 4. X plus y is equal to minus 36. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Adding third and fourth. When we are adding this, so this is the adding. 2x is equal to minus 40. So what's your x? Minus 40. 2. Minus 40 by 2. So what's coming? X equal to minus 20. But length is always positive, never negative. So what's its value? X is how much? 20. What's your x? X is what? X is what? 20. Its meaning is this. So what you can say? How can you find out? X plus y is equal to 36 coming here wrong written. Some mistake in it. So this is coming 36. So if this is 36 coming, so we can write, how can we write? So here this change, some changing in it. So this is coming, what's coming? 32. So x is equal to 32 by 2. 16. X is equal to 16 meter. What's your x? Width. And what's your y? Y equal to x plus 4. So 16 plus 4. How much? 20 meter. Not only this method, there are so many methods. In the next portion of this chapter given, substitution, elimination method, cross multiplication method. Yes or no? So this. So next, this given. Given the linear equation, this, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting line. Intersecting line. So what's you have given? This given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. You have to write another equation, linear equation in two variable, but what? Intersecting line. It's meaning this type of graph coming. In this type of graph, what we need? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. I can write like this, so many x plus 5y 13 equal to 0. This is another equation. So if you can check A1 by A2, 1 by A2 equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2, 3 by 5. So here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So question arises, how many such type of linear equation exist? Infinite. How many? Infinite. Understood? Third one is what we need. Third one we have to second part. What saying? Second part of this question is saying parallel lines. What type of parallel line? Lines are parallel when? When line are parallel when A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. I can write multiply 2 with 2, 4x plus 6y. Here C1 I can write here. I have not write minus 16. Except this, what I can write? All are right. So if you can check A1 by A2, 1 by 2, B1 by B2, 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. But C1 by C2, minus 8 by minus 15. So this condition satisfying? Yes, satisfying. If satisfying, lines are parallel. Got it? How many exist? Same answer, infinite. So if you can understand this, easily able to solve, no problem. Third one is given like this. You have to tell, what you have to tell? Coincident. It's one line lying upon the other. So what's the condition in that case? In that condition, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Here A1 by A2, B1 by B2. Here what I can write? Here I can write what? 16 I can write. What I can write? 16 equal to 0. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 8 to the 16. How many exist? Same answer. Infinite number of exist. So here all are equal. So what's the meaning? Coincident line meaning one line is lying upon the another line. Yes or no? Then next question. What? Next question. This is related to graph. So we will solve this tomorrow. Last question of this exercise. Till here you can do. Thank you all of you.